Well, I had my little laundry rack installed. I like it. However, as you can see, one of the rails is missing out of the box. So, don't want to return it. I like it. It has its function. I'm going to use it to, of course, dry clothing. Everything works here. I had to have it installed, but when I opened the box, we were missing one of the rails. So I think it's a neat idea. I live in a condo, so I wanted to have a place to put my laundry when I dry it, and it's out of the way and retractable. So neat little concept. Didn't take long to install it, but definitely need the rail, the missing rail. So I have contacted the seller to get it shipped to me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So you get your stuff. I really don't like this. These are really Anna's tights. Get it to dry. Everything dry. Then when it's dry, you just put it all the way and up so it's flush with the ceiling. Ta-da!
Here we go. Pull it, down, down, down. And it keeps going and going and going and going. And it goes down further to about here. And when you load it up, then you take it back up. Instant room, and back to dancing I go.
Bueno, pues parece que funciona. Y se queda más o menos paralelo. No exactamente, depende del peso que tenga en cada sitio, pero por lo menos creo que se queda bien. Bueno, luego lo miras. 3. Un besico.
Te vas a caer.
Interesados en